Okay, Miss Rayna is going to tell us about the dairy farm that we visited last week. Tell us about it.
Well, there were some cows, and they were cute, and they were little. And they were taking a nap when we came back. But one was walking around. And then we got to take a picture with the cow. And we saw the horses and the cows get milk. So, well, we had a lot of fun. And we had some ice cream. And then we had some chocolate milk when we left.
Well, Sandra, don't kick Mama's hand.
And then me and Mama went into the shop and got some cheese.
Yeah? Did you like that cheese?
And it was my favorite cheese ever. And it was never on sale, so... Well, we usually have regular cheese, but not that kind of cheese. But next time when we go to the dairy farm, we can get some more ice cream and some more cheese.
So tell me what you thought about the horse.
Well, it really tickled.
Why?
Because his nose tickled my back.
It did?
Yeah.
What else did he do?
Well, that horse made me think about you.
Why is that?
Because he was so pretty.
Oh, you're sweet.
And
You're so funny.
And it made me think about Daddy and Sandra and Gigi.
Why's that?
Because that horse was something handsome and pretty. So that was my story about the dairy farm.
All right. Thank you.
Let me see the video.
Okay, Bubba, tell me about the dairy farm.
A big cow also on my finger.
A big cow chewed on your finger?
Yeah.
It did?
Yeah.
I missed that part.
And then
Let Bubba talk. Let Bubba talk.
I went on the truck.
You got on the truck, that's right. The little green one. And what else? Did you see the horse?
Yeah.
Did he try to eat your pants?
Yeah.
No. You thought he was going to. What about the dog that was there?
We petted him.
Thank you, Rayna.
You're welcome.
Quit, Rayna. Don't do that.
Okay.
Hey, Bubba, do you have anything else to say about the dairy farm?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about it. What was your favorite part?
I didn't look out.
What was your favorite part of the dairy farm?
I didn't look out.
At the lookout?
Yeah.
Did you like the ice cream that we got there?
Yeah.
And what about the cheese?
It's yummy. It's yummy.
Yeah. Okay, well, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Say bye, everybody. See you later.
Bye, everybody. See you later. Now let's